Hello viewers. Are you looking for the best dash cams for cars front and rear 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best dash cams for cars front and rear 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dash Cam Real 4K Optional Rear Cabin Cam Installation 3-inch IPS NightVision 24H Parking Mode Dashboard Camera Recorder. Introducing our cutting-edge 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dash Cam, a must-have for your vehicle. Capture every moment with stunning clarity in real 4K resolution. Optional rear cabin cams provide comprehensive coverage, ensuring you never miss a detail. Installation is a breeze, seamlessly integrating into your vehicle for a sleek look. The 3-inch IPS display offers crystal clear playback and easy navigation. Enhanced night vision ensures crisp footage even in low light conditions, while the 24H parking mode safeguards your vehicle around the clock. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can conveniently access and download footage directly to your smartphone. Whether it's for safety, security, or documenting your road trips, our dual dash cam is your reliable companion on the road. Experience the next level of protection and peace of mind with our state-of-the-art dashboard camera recorder. Drive with confidence, knowing you have the ultimate witness by your side. Number 2. LINDU AM100 4K Dash Camera Dash GPS Camera Front Cam 150 FOV Car DVR 24H Parking Support Rear Interior Cam Wi-Fi and App Control. Introducing the LINDU AM100 4K Dash Cam, your ultimate road companion for unrivaled safety and convenience. With advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and a wide 150-degree field of view, it captures every detail of your journey in stunning 4K resolution. Equipped with GPS functionality, it provides accurate location data for your recordings. Never worry about parking incidents with its 24-hour parking support feature, ensuring your vehicle's safety even when you're away. The included rear interior cam offers comprehensive coverage inside your car, enhancing security further. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, you can easily access and manage your footage right from your smartphone. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, the LINDU AM100 guarantees peace of mind on every drive. Stay protected, stay connected, and capture every moment on the road with confidence. Experience the future of automotive security and convenience today. Number 3. 4G GPS DashCam JC400P Live Car DVR JIMIMAX Wi-Fi Hotspot Vehice Cam 2 Stream Video Cut Off Fuel 1080p Recorder Front and Inside Kit. Introducing the cutting-edge 4G GPS DashCam JC400P by JimmyMax, revolutionizing your car surveillance experience. With built-in Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, this advanced vehicle camera offers real-time streaming of both front and inside views, ensuring comprehensive monitoring of your journey. Equipped with 1080p recording capabilities, the JC400P captures crisp and clear footage, guaranteeing high-quality visuals for both day and night recording. Its dual camera setup provides simultaneous coverage of both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle, enhancing security and safety on the road. One of its standout features is the intelligent fuel cut-off function, which safeguards your vehicle in the event of a collision by automatically shutting off the fuel supply, mitigating the risk of fire or further damage. The 4G connectivity ensures seamless data transmission, allowing you to remotely access and manage footage via your smartphone or computer, providing peace of mind even when you're away from your vehicle. Whether you're a professional driver, concerned about the safety of your loved ones, or simply looking to enhance your driving experience, the JC400P offers unparalleled functionality and reliability. Invest in the JC400P today and elevate your car DVR experience to the next level. Number 4. EACE 2160p Dash Cam for Cars GPS Wi-Fi Front and Rear 4K Dash Cameras Vehicle Black Box Support Rear View Camera Video Recorder. Experience unparalleled safety and clarity on the road with the EACE 2160p Dash Cam. This advanced device features front and rear 4K cameras, capturing every detail of your journey. Equipped with GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities, it offers seamless connectivity and accurate location tracking. Whether day or night, its high-resolution footage ensures crisp imagery, enhancing your driving experience. With EACE, you gain peace of mind knowing that your drives are recorded in stunning clarity, providing valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Stay ahead with cutting-edge technology safeguarding your travels. Number 5. BEPOCAM ZD3 UHD 4K Mini Dashcam for Cars Recorders Wi-Fi Car DVR 150 degrees Dash Camera Para Autos 2160p Video Recorder Basic Dashcam. The BEPOCAM ZD3 UHD 4K Mini Dashcam is a reliable companion for your car, offering advanced recording capabilities in a compact design. With its UHD 4K resolution and 150 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures crystal-clear footage of your journeys, ensuring every detail is preserved. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, this dashcam allows for seamless video playback and easy file transfer to your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're documenting scenic road trips or monitoring driving activities, its high-quality video recording ensures clarity and accuracy. Designed for simplicity, the BEPOCAM ZD3 is a basic yet efficient dashcam solution, providing essential features for enhanced safety and security on the road. Trust in its performance to safeguard your driving experiences, offering peace of mind and reliable evidence in case of any incidents. Drive with confidence knowing that your journeys are captured with precision and clarity.